Tesla Malaysia starts hiring. Tesla Malaysia recently initiated a hiring ramp. It welcomed people to join its team by checking out the open roles in the country. Tesla Malaysia has 15 new job roles up for grabs. Most of the jobs are located in Cyberjaya. The company also has one open position each in Kuala Lumpur and Johor. 2 jobs are located in Penang. The majority of Tesla Malaysia's new jobs are related to sales, customer support, and vehicle service. One position is related to charging and Tesla's supercharger network. 2 positions fall under Tesla's engineering information technology, technical project manager and IT desktop support technician. Tesla is looking for a technical project manager specializing in physical security for its APAC security engineering program. The job is located in Kuala Lumpur and entails leading multiple projects across Tesla's Asian markets simultaneously. As a technical project manager (TPM) on our team, your role will be diverse and impactful. From designing and implementing security systems to ensuring timely project delivery, your contributions will directly influence the safety and security of Tesla employees, customers, and facilities. You'll engage in effective communication with internal and external stakeholders, navigate complex dependencies, and operate with a sense of urgency, Tesla Malaysia writes about the role. The IT desktop support technician's primary task will be to troubleshoot and resolve endpoint issues, install and support the systems, and assist with the day-to-day operations for Tesla's global IT infrastructure to support the growth of Tesla's initiatives. Tesla Malaysia is also searching for a consumer engagement manager and senior accountant in Cyberjaya. These 2 roles will be heavily involved in Tesla's growth within the country. Tesla Malaysia launched in summer 2023, starting with Model Y orders. Shortly after opening the Model Y order bank, Tesla Malaysia achieved a major milestone after collecting 10,000 orders in just 4 days. The Tesla Model 3 Highland arrived in Malaysia in late November 2023. As of this writing, customers may order a Model 3 Highland through Tesla Malaysia's inventory. Tesla Malaysia's website needs to give customers the option to purchase a customized refresh Model 3. However, Malaysian customers still have the option to pre-order Model Y units. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Merano at teslarati.